Hello everyone. Now today in my English classes we are going to study about the invention of Vita Wong of class 7th honeycomb. Now before I start with the chapter I want to ask you a few questions that do you know anyone who is old enough, or do you know the things which are there in your house or in your town or in your city? How old are they? Or have you ever wished that you were older enough? That means at present maybe you must be 12, 15 years old. Did you wish that you want to become old enough before time? Or you have wished to grow up in a hurry? In a hurry means to grow up quickly. So in this chapter we are going to see what was the invention of Vita Wong. Now Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. That means he invented that thing which had made people young enough. And so some people he made in this way that if you take that thing in a bit more, then you will be disappeared. In the same manner, one person actually becomes minus 87, which means that he had taken that thing more, that he went in minus age, and to come back to his proper age he has to wait for 87 years. So here now again Vita Wonka had to invent a new thing which can make people old enough. Now there are two parts in the chapter. We will start with the first part. Mr. Wonka said, "So once again I rolled up my sleeves and set up to work." Rolled up my sleeves means he folded his sleeves and he started with the work of invention, a new thing which will be which make the people old enough. Once again I squeezed my brain. Squeezed means he put a pressure on his mind. He thought what to make, searching for a new recipe. I had to create age to make people old, old, older, oldest. Ha ha ha. That means now this time he has to invent that thing which can make younger people old after taking this thing. I cried, for now the ideas were beginning to come. Means now the new ideas were coming to his mind. What is the oldest thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? And he was thinking about those things that which are older enough. A tree, Charlie said. So he said, one of his friend, you can say, he said, Charlie said, a tree. Right, you are, Charlie. But what kind of a tree? Now he is asking, there are several kinds of trees. So what kind of a tree is old enough? Not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, no, my boy. He said, no, these trees are not old enough. It is a tree called the Cone pine that grows up upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. That means the oldest tree is Cone pine, which is found in USA in the Wheeler Peak in Nevada. You can find Cone pines on Wheeler Park today that are over 4,000 years old. That is fact, Charlie. Now he said he gave the Charlie information about this tree that it is 4,000 years old. Ask any dendrocologist you like, right? He said, and look that word up in the dictionary when you get home. You will please. Okay, will you please? Now Mr. Wonka requested Charlie to go and search about this tree, whether he is saying the truth or not, and come to know the reality about this tree. So that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living trees. That means Vita Wonka went to several places to find different type of trees, how long they are. So there are certain points which he searched out. A pint of sap from 4,000 years old, that is Bristlecone pine. Second, a toenail clippings from a 168 years old Russian farmer called Petrovich Grigorovich. According to his name, the name of the tree was given. Then third, an egg laid by a 200 years old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. That means there was a tortoise who is 200 years old. Now here in these points he is searching about which one is the oldest. So he is giving examples when he went in search of these trees or the oldest things which are found in this world. Then the tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. Next, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called crumpets. Now he found these things. Then next point, an old flea which had lived on cum- crumpets for 36 years. Next, the tail of a 2007-year-old giant rat from Tibet. Next, the black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatepetl. Next, the the knuckle bones of a 700 years old Catalu from Peru. Now, these are the things which he has found in searching of it. Now, you will see in detail what is fir, a tree with needle like leaves. There are pointed needles. Oak, oak is a large tree with a hard wood which we can make furnitures also. Then cedar, an ever ever creative with hard red sweet smelling wood. Okay, these are the qualities of these tree. Then pine, an evergreen tree with needle shaped leaves, pointed leaves. Then flea, a small insect living on the skin of animals for their food. जो कांटेदार वाले नहीं होते जो गाय वाय के चिपक जाते हैं वो. So we will continue in the second video. Now we'll continue with the chapter Vita Wonka. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. That means in previous part we have seen the different parts of animals, trees which are older enough. So Mr. Wonka is telling Mr. Charlie that he had found certain things. A hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. Tracked down means he found, searched for. I tracked down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the escroc, the polyfrog, the giant curlicue, the stinging slug, and the venomous squirrel, who can split poison right into your eye from 50 yards away. That means this is the quality of these things he had found, that if he split poison, if he throws poison from about 50 yards and it comes to your eyes, you will die. But there's no time to tell you about them all now. Now he's saying that I have not much time to tell you about things, because he has to invent the new thing. Charlie, let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing, that means suppose for in chemistry lab you see different acids, they boil up and new invention is made. So in the same way he is there in his lab, and he said there are certain things, my inventing room, that means where he used to do inventions. I produced one tiny cup full of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. Now, scientists, what they used to do, they don't directly test on humans, they first test on animals or trees to see that whether they have negative or positive effect on it, and after that they try it on people. What did happen? Charlie asked. What happened when he gave oily black liquid to Ompa Lumpa volunteer? It was fantastic, very good. Fantastic means very nice, very good, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, it began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out. And before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. That means the invention was successful because he was inventing that thing which can make younger people or younger things old enough. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonka invented. That means he said, in this way, Vita Wonk was invented and the new name was given, which makes younger thing into older one. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.